let me introduce our LaboDry, the drying machine for you. The LaboDry drying machine is designed for AATCC Laboratory Procedure 1, Table 5. The LaboDry can meet the AATCC testing standard. We have built in a standard testing program inside our touch screen. And in the touch screen, you can also set your own program. You can change the temperature, the testing time, cooling time. And the temperature is automatic control. In addition, we have set another functions in our LaboDry drying machines. We have built in a humidity sensor inside the exhaust pipeline to monitor the humidity of the exhausted air. You will ask, what's the function of the humidity? Why you monitor the humidity in the exhausted pipeline? As you know, if you set a fixed drying time for a certain fabric, you don't know whether the fabric have been less dry or over dry. So if you can set the humidity in the exhaust pipeline, you can monitor the humidity online, or at any time you can decide whether the fabric have been dry. So that's the new function. After the customer have the experience, they can decide what is the targeted humidity they want to set. Once they set the targeted humidity, they can control the drying condition of the specimens inside the drum. So it can protect the specimens inside from over drying or less dry. This is our new function of the drying machine.